This is Bootsie. Bootsie is 4 years old and she is pregnant and getting very close to delivering her puppies. She was bred 60 days ago. The gestation period is generally 60 to 63 days. She has had one litter before. She had a litter last year and we got a beautiful litter. The puppies in that litter had just fantastic temperaments, just like Bootsie. Bootsie is a very gentle, usually calm dog. If she looks a little excited to you, it's because that's the way they get when they're close to giving birth to their puppies. I just thought I would show you what we do to get ready, and hopefully, if everything goes well, I hope it goes well, sweetie, then in a couple of days we should have a video of some newborn puppies for you. This is the whelping box, and this will be the home for her and the puppies for the first few weeks. This little black well here that you see is a heated element. It's what we call a nest. When the puppies are very small and they're not at all mobile, these slanted sides keep them in and they stay right on the heated part. It's kept at a perfect temperature for newborn puppies. We cover that with these pads, which are usually used as incontinence pads. They're soft, but you'll see they're lined and they can be washed. And of course we do wash them and bleach them to disinfect. For the actual whelping, we have a supply of towels. We generally use our old bath towels, nice big towels, and we keep them laundered and sanitized, and we have a whole supply of them because giving birth to puppies is rather a messy procedure, and we need to have plenty of towels to soak up the fluids and to keep everything clean. But then once everything's done and they're all settled and the discharge is finished, oh, she seems to know where to go, we have those pads for that. I also have a supply of little towels, hand-sized towels. These are very useful for a puppy that might be having a little difficulty coming out of the birth canal, and when that happens, you need to give them a little bit of help. And that means you need to get a firm but gentle grip on the puppy. So using this in your hand allows you to grip whatever part of the puppy is sticking out firmly so that you can assist them out of the birth canal, but gently so that you don't hurt them. They're very, very fragile at that age. We've got an auxiliary whelping box you can see over here. We try generally to have each delivery of the puppy take place inside that box. It keeps her confined. And then we have a small fluffy bed that we can keep puppies in between, because there's generally a gap of maybe 20 minutes to 2 hours from one puppy to the next. So when the next puppy comes along, whatever's been born, we have to put aside, and a nice warm safe place like that fluffy bed with a heating pad underneath is the best place for that. And we have a few emergency supplies or regular supplies. In this bag, I've got scissors for cutting umbilical cords. I have hemostats for clamping the umbilical cords while they're being cut. I have a little homemade device I use for suctioning out. I hope I don't have to use this, but if I need to suction out the mouth of a puppy that has started to breathe in some fluids, if I just do that here and insert this into the puppy's mouth, we can suction out any fluid that might be preventing the puppy from breathing. We've got other things over here. I have a whole supply of apparatus for feeding puppies that are having trouble nursing, using either tube. I don't know if you've ever seen anything about tube feeding. I have a nipple that is attached to a syringe, and we also have nursing bottles if that's necessary. Anything more complicated than that, we have some very good vets nearby, and We hope not to have to use them, but if it's necessary, they are available. So Bootsie, if you notice, Bootsie has been panting regularly, and they do that a lot. When she starts panting frantically, then we know she's going into labor. That would last anywhere from 6 to 24 hours. After that, she will start contractions, and she will start delivering puppies, which also takes some time. So we'll keep you posted, but Bootsie, you're a good girl. You're going to have nice puppies. Yeah.